Symmetry Financial Group reviews app. The pros, the cons. If you're exploring life insurance, retirement plans, or financial products, Symmetry Financial Group is a well-known name. Most people get this wrong by thinking the app is only for policy management, but the surprising truth is it also offers agent reviews, product comparisons, and educational resources for financial planning. Pros: users appreciate the app's easy access to agents, transparent policy details, and educational tools. It provides reviews from clients about customer service and claims handling, helping you choose the right financial product. The app also allows for quick quotes, policy tracking, and notifications for policy updates, making financial management simpler. The cons: some users mention that not all policies are available digitally, requiring calls or in-person meetings. Others report that the interface can feel clunky at times, especially when accessing older account details. In short, the pros are access to agent reviews, policy tracking, and educational content, while the cons are limited digital availability for some policies and occasional app interface issues. The takeaway: Symmetry Financial Group Reviews app is a valuable tool for researching and managing insurance products, but be prepared for some manual steps in certain cases. If this review helped, like and subscribe for more financial app insights.